Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 41 cents and 78 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Doge could reach 32 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 7 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke because of the then uncontrolled digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Regardless of being snide, certain individuals view it as a practical monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's token and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, how about we jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an amusing image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in notoriety. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost a lot of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Likewise, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into dissemination as mining rewards is split at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. This balances out the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system extension. In spite of the fact that its origin was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian cash that can be utilized for regular consumption. Dogecoin is at present worth 9 cents USD. Doge has moved 2.98% as of now with an exchanging volume of $562,321,440. Dogecoin is at present position 408 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $11,708,028,607 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Doge cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 13 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 12 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 11 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 23 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Doge's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 18 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 20 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 32 cents and Doge might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 29 cents and a low of 27 cents in 2025. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Dogecoin effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 41 cents, with a base cost of 36 cents and a typical cost of 38 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 47 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 46 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a greatest value worth of 50 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 57 cents. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 59 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 55 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 64 cents and a yearly cost close above 69 cents in 2029. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 73 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 78 cents, averaging out at 75 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 90 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 86 cents. And as one of the first elective monetary standards, Dogecoin was created as a fast and prompt installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of digital currencies had proactively acquired broad acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Subsequently, the Dogecoin people group immediately framed to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first showcased as an image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba and UK9 varieties' prestigious logo for Dogecoin. Notwithstanding all chances, Doge has ascended to the highest point of the cryptographic money market, generally due to virtual entertainment publicity and its openness to many worldwide socioeconomics. What is the Dogecoin cost today? Today, Dogecoin is exchanging at 9 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $11,708,028,607. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Dogecoin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is shrewd to say that Doge is a decent decision of venture. How high could Dogecoin at any point go? The typical cost of Dogecoin might potentially reach 12 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Dogecoin might outperform 59 cents. What amount will Dogecoin be worth in 5 years?